Hello everyone, today is Friday. We are at the beginning of the weekend, right? As usual, today I will tell you 4 stories, and here is the picture I am going to talk about. Yes, it is the bottom picture on page 154 in the book. Okay, look at this and listen to me. Are you ready? Okay. Oh, I find that this picture is so familiar. If I remember rightly, this picture is the one we learned in the previous lesson. Okay. Now listen to me. The bridge crosses to the other shore. Yes. Along Along the two sides of the river are green meadows stretching to the hills. Far away all the hills are covered with trees. In the sky, some white clouds are floating. This is a small river in a northern mountainous province in Vietnam. Yes, looking at the picture, you can see that the water is so clear and grassy. Yes, the water is so clear that you can see fish swimming in the water. Do you know the river only rapidly flows as the rainy season comes? Okay, the bridge was built in 2018. Yes, the small bridge made of iron and wood is about 25 meters long and 5 meters wide. Yes. On the two sides of the bridge have handrails. Yes. And do you know the bridge is a part of a compassionate project of Miss Vietnam contest 2018. The bridge has made it easier for children to go to school. They no longer have to go on a ferry boat, which takes time and danger whenever the rainy and the flood seasons come back. Okay, look at the river. Looking at the river reminds me of the old days when I learned myself to swim. Of course, in the past, in the countryside, there were neither swimming pools nor swimming teachers, right? And most of us know how to swim by self-taught. And do you know how we can learn to swim? Let me tell you more. Okay, first we cling. We cling firmly on the steps of the pond. Then we rise our body while our feet continuously push the water. Okay, and then we dropped our hands from the steps, and then we thrashed the water. Okay, repeat these actions 10 times, 20 times, or even 30 times, so our body can be immediately afloat on the water. And do you know we had also an interesting game, that is to cut a piece of banana tree and throw it into the pond, and then we hang on to it so that we can move to the middle of the pond. After that, we splash each other with water. It's so much fun. But nowadays, there are very few ponds in the countryside, and perhaps no one swims as in the pond as they used to. Yes. Everyone now bathes with tap water to ensure personal hygiene. And do you know the reason why? Because the ponds were filled with earth to build houses. Okay, now I stop my first story here.